Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video how to become a tax preparer without an efin. And so it's simply easy to do because the first steps to becoming a tax preparer is taking a basic income tax course first to see if there's something you want to learn, you want to do, you want to make a living with. And once you decide that by taking a basic income tax course either locally or online, then if you want to move forward, the next thing you do is get a pizza number, which all people who get paid to do tax returns need by law to do tax returns for clients. As far as being able to sign the tax return on the federal and state level, we used a pizza. Back in the day, we used to have a 9-digit social security number that we had that was on all these tax returns. And so we all got uncomfortable with having our real 9-digit social security number on all these tax returns that we were preparing for clients. And so we both started concerned about that. And that's how the IRS came up with this system that allows us to sign and date the return without using our actual 9-digit social security number. So we're grateful for that. So in this video, we're going to talk about this unique opportunity that I created inside my own tax preparation business that I'm implementing for the first time to see how well it's going to work. And if it does well, I'm going to keep it as a part of my ecosystem for us being able to help preparers make additional income. So when it comes to that, this program, if you need it, has free software training, professional software training, tax preparation training, basic marketing training. We're going to talk about additional income streams. We're going to talk about professional licensing credentials, possibilities. And so those are some of the basic things that you'll get inside this opportunity, which is a one-time investment of $695, and you get to work with me for 18 months. Now, this here opportunity to work with me is a reoccurring investment of which will vary. This is an introductory special fee situation of $695, but after the 12 months are over, we talk about your options as far as are you going to continue to work with me and what that's going to look like for our investment, because the other 6 months is a bonus that I give you to work with me for additional 6 months as a bonus, which makes it an 18-month situation where we're able to work together to help you build a solid foundation inside your business. So we have a lot of people who want to who make money in this industry who not ready to go all in to have their own tax preparation service by having an efin. So they're comfortable working under other people who have an efin to get started with, to grow with, to build with, to make money from. And from there, once they deem themselves ready, then they go to the next level by getting their own efin put in the system where they can now operate their own full-fledged tax service for themselves and do what I've taught them to do, which is to build their own team from that point, because now they have their own efin to do so. And so that'll be an additional income stream for them to go out and market to people who are not ready to start a full-fledged business, but wants to make extra income, who understand they got to go out and get their own clientele, because that's where the money going to come from. You're going to make more money going out and building your own business of clients versus you working as an employee for Jackson Hewitt, H&R Block, Liberty, or any independent tax preparation firm. You're going to make more money if you decide that, hey, me building my own clientele, be able to get to charge what I want to charge, it's going to pay off more for me than it would if I was an employee who was fixed with a certain hours to work and fixed with certain hourly income to make. And so you're capped already as an employee. As an independent professional for yourself, you go out there and get as many clients as you can. You can charge whatever price point you can. You don't have to be stuck in those certain price points. You can have a standard pricing model like I use, which helps me to answer the question that everybody wants to know when they meet you, is how much you charge. And so just to answer that question, I give them a standard pricing model of $395 and $495, and I let them know based on overall results that figure will either stay the same or we can adjust it based on the fact that you may not be getting a refund at all and you're not inspired to pay the $395 or the $495. And so that's how that goes for me, and that's how I do my business. So if you want to take advantage of this unique program, you have a pension already, or you look willing to get a pension, you need the tax preparation training, this here training that I do, I teach myself. I've been teaching it for years. I always taught myself because the way the industry in general teaches the course is, to me, overwhelming for the new person to try to comprehend all the different elements to learning how to do taxes that I've always did it myself piecemeal, having it build on one another and giving it to you slowly based on your ability to comprehend it. Now, I've had students in the past, that wasn't many, who were able to take the full-fledged course and curriculum the way it was originally taught and give it to them, and they can flow right through it, but that wasn't many. So I always came up with my own scenarios and practice problems for my clients, quizzes, exams and stuff like that, certificate at the end. And so that's how I'm doing it right now, is that I'm teaching it myself. We're going a real basic 15 scenario course based on the 5 filing statuses. So you're going to get 3 single practice problems. You're going to get 3 married filing joint practice problems. You're going to get 3 married filing separate practice problems. You're going to get 3 head of household practice problems. You're going to get 3 qualified widow with dependent child practice problems. So that's a total of 15 that's going to teach you how to prepare practice problems based on the 5 different filing statuses, which is going to cover 15 different types of situations, which will include all the different types of income that we're familiar with. And if you decide you need more training outside of the basics that I've created, then that's not a problem. So if you want to take advantage of this opportunity, inside the link of this, inside the description of this video, I was going to have a link that's going to take you to my funnel where you can join my email list, go through the rest of the funnel. If you're ready to take action, click, get to the checkout page, make your purchase. And the great thing about this opportunity here is that I'm able to take Afterpay or Klarna. So if you already got approved for Afterpay or Klarna, and you already got an account where you make have an account approval of already $1,000, then that's enough to cover the $695 that you can pay in installments over the next 6 weeks. And so take advantage of that opportunity to maybe use your Afterpay or Klarna account if you already have one. And if you don't already have one, apply for one to see if you can get qualified for some type of credit. And if you can get at least $600 worth of credit, then, you know, reach out to me and we'll make an arrangement where I'll adjust the fee inside the order page to $6, and you'll pay the other $95 through an invoice that I send you through my Square account. So that's how we'll do that one. So take advantage of this awesome opportunity to build your own team without having an efin right now and make additional income for yourself. And those people that you bring in, you know what I'm saying, you'll make extra money because they'll be doing one or two things. They'll be making a one-time investment of $695 and doing taxes, and they'll be doing a revenue split with you of 70-30. And so you get 30% of everything they do. And then we might just make it where all the new people that come under you for the $695, you'll get a certain percentage of that. I get a certain percentage of that. And the person who brought you in to get a certain percentage of that. So we'll basically divide it by 3 and just keep it simple. And so if you're interested and you want to learn more, like I said, the description of this YouTube video is going to have the information, some basic information in it. It's going to have a link that's going to take you through my sales funnel where you're going to become part of my email list. You get to go through the funnel. You get to read the information that I've created inside the funnel concerning this particular course. And if you're ready to take action, you pay for it. I'll reach out to you. We'll set up a time and date to talk on a Zoom call and give you everything you need to know and hear about when it comes to what you're going to get by joining this unique opportunity to build your own team without having an efin. So this is an awesome opportunity. This is my first time implementing this. I'm going to see how well it works. I'm going to see how many people I can get to join this opportunity, because that's going to be that's going to determine the success of this. It's about how many people I can get. So if I can get 10 people to join this opportunity at $695, and then evaluate how well they did, how many people they brought it under, it's a good chance I'll make this a permanent offering inside of my business that's going to help me make extra money. It's going to help the person with the pizza make extra money. and it's going to help the person that they're recruiting to make extra money. So it's a win-win all around. So when it's all said and done, this here mentorship course is designed to give you the support you need during actual tax season. It also removes all the guesswork to getting started. It also allows you to run and operate a full-fledged tax service without having the full responsibilities of owning the tax service cost. I'm going to show you how a tax service operates for the daily operations on the front end. The back end will be dealing with if you had employees, if you got 1099 workers working for you, and how that works. And so just giving you an opportunity to learn how to operate a full-fledged tax service from A to Z. That way now when you're ready to go to the next level and get your EFIN, you're ready to now be able to operate your own tax service using the model I've showed you that you can modify to your liking. You know what I'm saying? Because when I first got started, I worked for a company for 6 years, and I patterned what I learned from that company and started my own company. But as time went on, I realized I could modify what I've learned. I don't have to make it just exactly like how they did it. I can add some stuff, I can take some stuff out, and that's what I end up doing over time. And so this is an awesome opportunity to become a tax preparer without an EFIN and build a team and make additional income. And if you want to hear from me directly what you get inside this program, just reach out to me at 773-782-1320. You can even email me if you don't have time to call me at thomas@workwthomas.com, and I'll reach back out to you as soon as I can to give you all the details and answer all the questions, concerns you may have concerning this awesome, unique program that's designed to help you build your business with the support and training you need without paying high retail coaching fees that I normally charge. Full-fledged coaching program itself is $2,495, and so I modified that program to come up with this program to make it more affordable for people who want to work with someone, get the training they need, get the support they need, and be able to learn how to operate a tax service the right way and be legit when it comes to them finally getting started with their own EFIN and being able to go out there and hit them real hard by doing real well because they had the right training and support and the right mindset shift and the right framework given to them up front that they can utilize, take advantage of, and make happen. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for, please leave me a comment when it comes to this video. Let me know if you're interested in this type of unique opportunity, and if you are, what's holding you back from getting started. If it's not with me, get started with someone, because we have other people who have programs that's similar to mine, but it's not like this, but it's similar. They have revenue share split programs where y'all split the revenue between one another, but they don't have this. This is the first time you come across this unique team building opportunity that I come up with on my own based on being in this industry for 22 years, 16 other business owners. So thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.